that was the entry number 6. So informing everyone that the judgment of the winners, of course, i-check nila sa ato ng mga judges from the qualifying for Ano at Gandang bilang group. Sa mga judges sa bilang ng mga units. So if you are planning to purchase units of motorcycle, feel free to visit those incorporated Gladys branch. So may promo sila mga friends. May 1,000 pesos down payment or installment. May mga less na 500 pesos cash purchase.